Hey guys, my name is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax here in Stuart, Florida. Today I'm excited to give you guys a quick walkthrough of the Boston Whaler 380 Realm. Before we hop on board, a couple quick comments. This boat has the white hull side, black boot stripe. We went with a super simple look, but also super sharp looking at the same time. Here along the back we have the Quad Mercury 400 V10 outboards. Very powerful engines. Great cruising speeds. We have the joystick control configured in. So let's hop on board, we'll show you around. As we stand here in the cockpit of the 380 Realm, you'll find that this boat is well suited for whatever you bring its way. Whether you're fishing, family cruising, crossing over to the Bahamas, this boat has equipment and options for everyone to enjoy. So standing here in the cockpit, you'll notice a spacious area for fishing. We have two insulated fish boxes, one off to port, one off to starboard side. Rod holders around on both port and starboard side gunnels, and also along the transom here. But as you jump into the family features, we have a large pull-out bench seat. Notice the dive ladder integrated in for ease of use. Pulls right out, drops into the port side dive door. This seat extends out. You'll notice a real high backrest, so elevated backrest, nice and comfortable to sit in. But what's really cool is the versatile seating configuration. So this backrest flips forward. So now we have opposing seats. We do have two teak tables we can drop in the center. Electric sunshade up on top. So lots of good stuff going on here. We do have an insulated cooler underneath the seat. The entire seat pops open. If you're just going to grab a drink, we have the easy access door. Off to the port side, you'll notice a well overbuilt dive door. The nice handle that'll swing over to help with boarding. Moving forward, we have a great prep station. So talk about entertainment. You're here underneath the big fiberglass hardtop, cooking in the shade. They have an electric grill, refrigerator underneath, sink, storage. So pretty great setup here along the port side. And as we move forward, you'll notice for a 38-foot boat, there's not many out there where you're going to have 2 rows of seating. So we have 2 rows of seating plus a port side seat for all of your guests. You're under the hardtop, protected by the windshield as you're making that run offshore. Just a really beautiful setup. So it's really cool. We have your helm seat here actually spins around 180 degrees. So now you have 2 opposing seats under the hardtop. You're in the shade, AC vents blowing on you. We actually have a removable table we can set up right here in between the 2 seats. So all about versatility and convertible seating, which Whaler has truly mastered. As you stand up here at the helm, extremely well appointed. As you noticed previously, all the teak accents throughout the entire boat. We have 3 Simrad screens here at the dash. That's going to do all of your navigation, switching, chart plotting, engine data. Everything's built into those systems. We do have a bow thruster and a joystick for ease of docking. Simrad VHF radio up top. This boat is Seakeeper stabilized, so has all the great technology you guys would want. As we step down below, you'll notice a very well appointed cabin. A nice dinette there in the center, small sink off to the port side, and a very spacious head and shower as well. As we go forward here along the port side, Boston Whaler's integrated a very large access door. Provides great protection, but leads you up to the bow. You're greeted with a very spacious area, so seating for 3 here, lounging forward. Everyone has their own independent armrest. We have a nice teak table. This is a powered table, goes up and down, so you can bring it down to the seat level, put the filler cushion on top as you see here to expand the seating even further. Windlass anchor up on the bow. You can do a bow shade up here to give your passengers protection from the sun. Again, guys, this is the Boston Whaler 380 Realm. My name is Brian McGlenn. Would love to take you through this boat in person. Give us a call, 561-635-6811. Thank you for watching.